If Epic Games notifications have been popping up while you're gaming, working, or just trying to focus, this video is going to show you exactly how to turn them off in just a few seconds. We'll go step by step inside the Epic Games launcher so you can stop those free game alerts and promotional messages from showing on your desktop. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once the launcher is open, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This will open a menu with different account and launcher options. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Epic keeps most of the launcher preferences, including notification controls. Now scroll through the settings until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. Under this section, you'll see a few checkboxes that control what kind of alerts Epic Games is allowed to show on your desktop. To stop the most common pop-ups, simply uncheck Show Free Games Notifications. This will stop Epic from alerting you every time a free game is available. Then uncheck Show News and Special Offer Notifications. This turns off promotional alerts, news messages, and special deal pop-ups from appearing on your screen. Once both boxes are unchecked, the changes should take effect right away, and you should no longer see those desktop notifications coming through. If you want to double check, just scroll back through the settings and make sure both options are still disabled. That's really all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you can clean up your desktop and stop Epic Games from interrupting you with unwanted notifications. If this video saved you some time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, fixes, and helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.